In school, we learn essential academic skills like reading, writing, and solving math problems. But rarely are we taught how to manage money or understand financial concepts until it's often too late. While you don't need to become a financial expert, it's crucial to grasp the basics. Number 1. Invest in yourself. You've probably heard the phrase, invest in yourself, countless times, and it's true. This step is key. Many people tend to overlook it, but investing in yourself is one of the most valuable things you can do. There are many ways to do this. Attending workshops, reading insightful books, or even learning a new language. For instance, be selective about what you read. Time is a precious resource, so make sure you're investing it wisely by picking up books that enhance your knowledge and skills. It's also worth considering finding a mentor. However, the approach of asking someone to mentor you is often misunderstood. A mentor typically finds someone who is already on their journey and showing commitment. You can't just wait around for someone to guide you. You need to take action on your own. Always offer something of value and demonstrate that you're dedicated, passionate, and willing to put in the effort. They want to see that you're truly dedicated, enthusiastic, and passionate, and that you're bringing something valuable to the table rather than just trying to take something. You always need to offer value, sometimes even upfront. Number 2, develop a high-income skill. A high-income skill is any skill that has the potential to earn you a six-figure income. Examples include copywriting, web development, consulting, and digital marketing. These skills provide financial security and can help you achieve the lifestyle you desire. While not everyone starts with a high-income skill, it's something anyone can learn. Take copywriting, for example. It's a highly sought-after skill in today's digital economy because companies increasingly rely on online sales. A skilled copywriter can effectively engage potential customers with their writing, leading to increased conversions and higher revenue for businesses. There will be times when you make mistakes or encounter financial setbacks, but having a high-income skill gives you something to fall back on. With this expertise, you can quickly earn money and recover from financial missteps. It will help you recover if you make a mistake, such as a poor investment or business decision. Before we move forward, I'd love to hear if you're finding value so far. If so, please like this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's continue. Number 3, become financially literate. In today's world, many people struggle financially because they aren't equipped with the knowledge to manage their money effectively. Financial literacy is crucial, but it's often overlooked. So, what can you do? The first step is to stay calm. There are some universal strategies that can help you manage your finances better. Here are 3 essential tips. 1. Create a financial plan. Start by calculating your net income. This isn't just your salary, but the amount left after taxes. Then, make a detailed list of your monthly expenses. Track where your money goes each month. An effective guideline for this is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income should be allocated to basic needs and taxes. This includes both fixed and variable expenses, such as food, housing, and healthcare. 30% of your income can go towards personal desires. This doesn't mean splurging on luxury items, but indulging in small things that bring you happiness while still living within your means. 20% should go towards paying off debts, or, if you're debt-free, investing in your future. This allows you to build a more secure financial foundation. 2. Maintaining your mental health is key, and one way to do this is by managing your finances effectively. For instance, you should allocate 20% of your income to paying off debts. It's always best to tackle debt as soon as possible, especially loans and other forms of borrowing. While it's ideal to avoid debt altogether, some responsible credit card use, where you repay the balance on time, can be acceptable. If you're fortunate enough to be debt-free, instead of using leftover funds on unnecessary entertainment, consider starting to invest. This can help you build passive income over time. 3. Once you've listed your essential purchases, evaluate their importance. Some expenses might turn out to be unnecessary. Review your bank statements, utility bills, and credit history to gain a clearer picture of your spending habits. Managing your finances on paper or through an electronic tool can provide more control than doing it in your head. Many mobile apps, including banking platforms, can help you track how much money comes in and goes out each month. The truth is, most people can't recall exactly how much they spent last month, but having this knowledge is crucial. Breaking down your spending into categories gives you the power to decide where to cut back and where it might make sense to invest in higher quality items. Number 4. Seek additional income streams. Building additional sources of income can provide a significant level of security and reduce your reliance on your primary salary. If you have items you no longer use or need, selling them online can be a quick and easy way to make extra money without needing to physically go to a market. Once you've gained some knowledge from financial resources, you can explore investment opportunities. For example, if you own unutilized property, renting it out can generate passive income. Other avenues of earning include dividends from stock investments, interest from bank savings, or picking up extra work. Number 5. Self-improvement. Continual learning is essential. Education shouldn't stop after receiving a degree. The world is constantly evolving, and new opportunities emerge regularly. By staying updated with new knowledge and attending training courses, you can gain insights into new business opportunities or further develop your skills. Number 6. Learn to save. Building a financial safety net is important, and setting aside a portion of your income each month can help you grow savings over time. Ideally, aim to save enough so that your income surpasses your monthly expenses. Once you achieve that, you can start investing 10–20% of your remaining funds into various assets. Financial management generally boils down to two paths. Either you preserve your existing savings or you actively work to grow them. If you notice your spending consistently exceeds your income, it's time to reevaluate your financial habits. Many people spend unnecessarily on things like frequent dining out, expensive clothes, or gadgets. To build a strong financial foundation, learning to live within your means is crucial. Reflect on your priorities. What's more beneficial, purchasing another luxury item or investing in your future? Make it a goal to save 30% of your income monthly, or ideally 50%, and deposit it into a bank account with a reasonable interest rate that will help combat inflation. The remaining 50–70% can be allocated to your basic living expenses, like food, clothing, and daily needs. It's also important to set aside an emergency fund from this amount for unexpected expenses. Number 7. Develop a strong work ethic. Successful individuals commonly share a strong work ethic. Unlike many who may spend their time on social media or are uncertain about their post-graduation plans, focus on activities that enhance your income potential. Learn high-income skills, such as those in copywriting or web development. Malcolm Gladwell's research suggests that achieving mastery in a field requires about 10,000 hours of practice. Number 8. Enjoy the journey. People often believe that happiness will come once they reach their goals, such as becoming a top consultant. However, research by Shauna Kaur at Harvard University indicates that happiness actually fuels success. Enjoying the process and maintaining a positive outlook can help you achieve more. I hope this guide has been useful in outlining what to focus on before turning 30. Are you already investing in yourself or learning high-income skills? Share your experiences in the comments. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.